America's East has turned white after being battered by heavy winds and snow, causing mayhem for locals from North Carolina to Maine. Blizzard-like winds reaching 70 miles per hour are expected to blast the country, with snowplows and salt trucks battling to keep roads clear amid the snow and ice storm. Some local weather forecasters have even labeled the rapid plunge in barometric pressure a bomb cyclone. Huge amounts of snow hit both Boston, New York City area, with snow even hitting Florida for the first time in nearly 3 decades. Locals to the Sunshine State were surprised by the arrival of the snowfall, with a deluge of snow lasting almost 10 minutes. The dramatic weather has seen more than 3,000 airline flights in, out, and within the U.S. canceled. Forecasters expected the system to be followed immediately by a blast of face-stirring cold air that could break records in more than 24 cities, with wind chills falling to -40 in some places this weekend. Blizzard warnings and states of emergency were in wide effect, with most of Rhode Island braced for snow falling as fast as 3 inches per hour. The wild weather has also caused massive power outages. More than 5,500 homes and businesses lost power in Provincetown, Massachusetts, alone. Too cold for some, iguanas are falling from their perches in South Florida. Frozen iguanas are reportedly falling from trees after temperatures in South Florida dipped to 5 degrees. While that may not be particularly cold for Brits, the animals are used to warmer climates in Miami. Photographs of the reptiles have revealed several appear to be unmoving on their backs, apparently having fallen from the trees. National Weather Service meteorologist Dan Peterson said record low temperatures were predicted for 28 major cities across New England, eastern New York, and the mid-Atlantic states by dawn Sunday. Portland, Maine, and Burlington, Vermont, could see -16 and 19, respectively, the Weather Service said. There were concerns in Boston and elsewhere that, if roads were not properly cleared, they could freeze into cement like ice after the cold blast arrives. In other areas, plummeting temperatures had already caused water mains to burst. A massive storm began 2 days ago in the Gulf of Mexico and first struck the Florida Panhandle. Schools have been closed in response, with weather warnings in place across the country's east. Officials are urging residents to stay home so crews can clear streets and roads of what could be as much as a foot or more of snow in some places. Boston could get as much as 14 inches. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun online news team? Email us at tips@thesun.com.